Drywall bulging from water leaks behind walls is a serious problem that can mess up your home big time if you don't handle it right away. So, first off, if you spot that bulge or swelling on your drywall, don't just ignore it thinking it'll go away. That's not how it works. You gotta find the source of the leak fast, usually from pipes behind the wall. Turn off your water main to stop more water from coming in. Next, get under that drywall and check for wet spots or mold, because water damage can spread quick. After you fix the leak or call a plumber, you'll need to rip out the soggy drywall. Trying to patch over it won't cut it. When replacing drywall, make sure everything is dry and mold-free before you put up new sheets. Grab some mold-resistant drywall if possible, especially for areas prone to moisture. Don't forget to prime and paint with waterproof paint to help protect your walls in the future. Lastly, keep an eye on that area afterward to catch any new leaks early before they cause more trouble. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drywall bulging from water leaks is ignoring the problem, which leads to mold growth and structural damage. To fix this, act fast as soon as you see any signs of bulging. Another common issue is just patching over the bulge without fixing the leak first. This only hides the problem and makes it worse. Always fix the leak before repairing drywall. Lastly, many homeowners forget to dry out the wall completely before replacing drywall, which causes mold to come back. Use fans or a dehumidifier to make sure everything is bone dry before you close it up again. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to fixing leaks and drywall damage. Contractors also get a steady stream of work through the site, making it easier for both sides to handle home repairs without stress.